This week we're going to look at doing some graphic design in CSS, and in this video I want to take a look at downloading Gimp. It's the GNU image manipulation program. It is basically a free version of Photoshop. It has a lot of similar features, so we're going to take a look at downloading that and using it just a little bit. So here you're going to want to go to gimp.org and then download, and then choose how you want to download that. I'm going to download it directly, and then that download's going to start, and once it's done we'll return to this video to look at installing that. Alright, now that my Gimp exe file is downloaded, I'm going to click on that to open it up and begin the installation process. Now here you can select the language that you want it to use. I'm using English. Click OK. And you can either just install or you can customize what you need. Go through reading the license agreement, deciding where you want this to be installed, see what all you want to install with it if you choose to do the custom installation. Do you want to create a desktop icon? I'm going to create one just so that I have easy access to it. I'm going to end up pinning this to my taskbar and then installing this. And this is going to take a minute, and so we'll be back when this process gets done. Alright, now that that installation process is finished, I'm going to click Finish on this prompt, and then I can find my Gimp icon on one of my desktops. I'm just going to search it here by typing in Gimp and opening that up. And then it's going to go through this, take it a minute to load for all of the data files and everything that it needs. And then once this finishes, it's going to open up, and then we can take a look at some of the features that are available and some things that we can do with this that we're going to use in future videos. And we're just about done, so I'm not going to take a break here. Now that we have this opened up, I'm going to grab an image just so that we can put something in here and start working with this. Alright, here I have an HTML5 image. I can drag and drop this over here if I want to load that up, or I can go to Open and find that file. Either way is going to work. And now I'm going to zoom this in, and we can see a lot of these things that we have over here on the side. It's kind of customizable, but we can do a lot of the same things that we can do in Photoshop. We can just crop this image however we might need to, and just kind of depending on what we have going on. And what we might need to do with this. We can do some cropping. We have things like this magic wand tool. If we want to select some things in here and get rid of them, we have layers. We have a lot of things that we can choose to show or hide. But it's going to be very similar to Photoshop. We can give a transparent background. We're going to look at that in another video. But if you don't have access to Photoshop, Gimp is a very good alternative to that.